Hello AI world. In this video, I will talk about how you can create video with audio completely open source. I will talk about LTX-2 that newly launched an AI video generation model. There you can generate your video with audio. I will play this example.
Out of this world. Check it out.
So guys, you want to create your open source completely free video with open source model? Keep with me. I will go step by step how you can create your video with audio. So in this video I will talk about brief about this model, how you can use it, and then this continuous series will go to create better and better video. In this video I will talk about basic installation setup, what is this, how you can use it. Second video I will go how you can deploy on cloud platform and you can use locally very easy with various freely available UI. Third is I will talk about like how you can customize this open source model with your requirement. If you want to do custom styling, if you want to do especially your branding related things, like every time you don't want to configure branding at all, so it will set completely all branding for you. No need to change logo, color, style, emotions, whatever you want to set it, you can set it completely, and then you can create fast and fast video whatever you need. So let's start now. Yeah, so this is LTX-2 repo. I think LTX previous one was already there with their no audio, but this is model with audio, correct? So basically you just clone it this repo, and you just install your UI packages and just do create a virtual environment with UI and activate it. Before that I will talk about more about models. So based on your requirement, like I will talk here how you can select the model based on your VRAM, yeah, your whatever system you have. For example, you have 32 GB or 40 GB of GPU, then which model you have to select. If you are bigger than, then which model you have to select, and on an average which model is good. So there are various version of model available. So previously LTX launched a 13 billion model, but now they launched 19 billion dev models. So this LTX 219B devs safe tensor, this model is original model and that can be used, but this need little more RAM, VRAM. If you want to use it, it will go more than here and there 40 GB, 50 GB around. If you want to create bigger length of video, for example 20 second, 30 second, then you need 80 GB of VRAM for it. This model LTX-219B dev dot safe tensors model one, and another is FE8. If you developer, if you know about the quantization technique, quantization will help to reduce your memory footprint, plus it would fast also for computations. Like each computations, if you are using lower floating point, then it will take lesser time compared to bigger floating point like FE16, BF16, FE32, yeah, 64, whatever. But here it will work. So this model already, this LTX2 provided by default FE8, but there are technique where you can convert it lower floating point, yeah, lower quantizations also. So for both version of model, based on your system capability. But I think I tested this one FP8. It's work fine for your requirement. If you go for distill, so third is the distill models. What I tested, distill model is comparative to lesser quality video generations. But again, if you go distill model 19B distill model FP8, then it is more fast generation. You want to create quickly 30 seconds of video in few seconds, but is little issue with that. You need to compromise little accuracy. What I suggest for this distill models, better to create small duration of video, 5 to 10 second or 15 second. If you go beyond that, then I think you need to compromise with the quality. But it's been what you want. If you want a cinematic view or only views, animations, it will work. But if you want to more realistic, then problem here. So if you want to go more realistic, I suggest you go 19 there. But FP8 also work for smaller duration. If you want to create bigger duration, it's lose the context. And but how you writing prompt, that's also matter. Prompt writing also is matter here. So these all about the model checkpoint. One more thing you need if you want more quality and high resolution video. So LTX now providing multiple multi-stage pipeline workflow where you can upscale your output with upscaler. One thing. Second, in the so there are two type of upscaler there: spatial upscaler and Templar upscaler. So both work based on your requirement, where you need to upscale your video. And this is very important, distill LoRa. This is very important. So if you know fine-tuning of LLM, then you hear about LoRa technique that you can fine-tune. So what is LoRa technique here? You have base model, you fine-tune with your customization. For example, I think this is default LoRa is provided, but if you need your custom style customization related to you only, this is for you, custom LoRa. I think for training it, this custom LoRa also not a bigger task. It's need few GPU, and you can train your customized model. You can fine tune it with the LoRa technique. So how it will work? You have base model, and top of that, you add this distill LoRa fine tune model. So this is kind of adapter. So the LoRa adapter add with top of your base model. So whenever that's why I'm calling it a multi-stage pipeline. And here, whenever you load model with the LoRa, then it will load this model and add this adapter also, this LoRa adapter also. This increase your efficiency, whatever you want. For example, this LoRa train for only style, this LoRa train for your customizations related to your branding, and then it will add your branding here. This is for you, for startups anywhere. This custom LoRa can be used for huge video generations related to particular customizations. So this we use here. And so this about LoRa. Now we'll go about the text encoder. Okay, various text encoder available. But whatever freely available open source, we are choosing only open source text encoder. Previous models, like previous version of LTX, use default unit clips and other open source like OpenClip. A lot of text encoder are available. But yeah, Gamma 3 also is another text encoder. I think this work good. So Gamma 3 used here, but you can select other also that also supporting to this LTX-2. Yeah. So one more thing I talk about LoRa itself. So I told like whatever customization you needed, you can add this adapter itself, and that's why these are adapters you can use. If you want to control more edges, then use any LoRa control. You want to go for depth control, pose control you want, camera control you want. So various LoRa adapters are available, and you can fine tune, get your LoRa adapter, your customization. That's fine. So this is all about this related to models, text encoders, LoRa adapters, at all. Now I will talk about how you can run your inference. So for running your inference here, there are multi-stage pipeline available. So that is the best one pipeline. What I like it this first is two-stage pipeline. What having this two-stage pipeline? This having two upscaling. So I told here that is temporal upscaler this there, spatial upscaler there. So using this upscaler two-stage pipeline build, without upscaler also you can create a video, but if you more quality, more resolution, then you need this upscaler. If you don't, you have to just test it, try it, prototype testing, quick testing at all, then no need to upscaling it. Then go one stage pipeline. One stage pipeline means load model, give your text, your image, create your video. Out of this, there are no upscaling, temporal and spatial upscaler. There are no LoRa adapters. If you want to add LoRa adapter also, upscaler also, then go for two-stage pipeline. Distilled pipelines for with it predefined sigma. So this is very fast. And another very important. So this is three pipeline. Fourth pipeline is video to video and image to video transformations. So video to video, we want to change your video. There are IC LoRa pipeline is there. So you can create video to video editing also. And another thing, interpolate between the keyframes. So you have different keyframes, but you want to create a video out of that. That is keyframe interpolation pipeline is there. And keyframe interpolation, using this you can create multiple frame out of multiple frame you can create the video. So these are about pipeline. Or in the next video I will go through this two-stage pipeline end-to-end setups with the cloud, and will create video freely, fast, and nice video with LTX-2. So that's all about it, and next video we'll meet. Thank you so much for watching this video.